Don't put those little threads must have worked.
I tell you, I heard singing coming from right here.
Anything you say, Mr. Winter.
Hurry up, boys. You're here in the interest of musical research, and science must march on.
Let science march. We'll sit.
So, we're here for musical research. You told me she knew a quiet place for a picnic.
Well, this is quiet, isn't it?
But it's no picnic, and I'm hungry. Here are funny-looking green birds, good to eat.
That's it. The green, double-breasted tropical worsted. Don't you dare shoot. That bird can sing anything, and it's valuable.
So can I, and I'm hungry.
I'll get him for you, Mr. Twitter.
That's Tarzan's cry of Jane for calling.
Well, that's Dr. Miles' cry of pain from falling. Yeah.
Better luck next time, Dr. Miles.
I hate birds. I hate birds. I hate birds.
To bring this bird back alive means more to me than anything.
I know, and I'll do everything to help you, Miss Amanda. You see, I love you.
You love birds too, I know.
Anything you say, Miss Twitter.
Better luck next time, Dr. Mild.
I hate birds. I hate birds. I hate birds. Especially green, double-breasted, tropical worsted birds. She can't see me for a silly bird. I hate birds. But I love her. If I could just catch this one for her, maybe then she'd...
You ain't nothing but a bird, though.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You better catch that bird before he puts us out of business.
Let's capture two birds.
With one song.
Well, we've got each other.
And I got the bird. Yeah.